everyone, it's Lean from ColoradoLean.com. I'm here to show a Tri-fold Folio album that I designed a couple of years ago and finally finished. The pattern paper I used is the Primrose stack by DCWV. This is from 2012. It is a really pretty paper pack. Here's a quick little flip through for you. There is some glitter elements in here, and I absolutely love this paper pad. The folio itself measures 8.5 inches tall. It is 6 inches wide. The left spine is about 1 inch wide, and the right side is about 3/4 of an inch. I have it closed with 3 sets of magnets down the side, and this paper is really thick, so that's why I personally don't have anything on these 2 pages, but you could very easily put like a little pocket or something. It would just depend on how strong your magnets are. When you open it like this, the first center page has a pocket. Each of these pages is 8 inches tall by about 5.5 inches wide. I have 3 little elements in here, just made with the paper scraps. And then I have 2 larger mats. I don't have anything on the back, but you could very easily put pattern paper back there. It would look very pretty. These are pocket pages. So I have this here. This is about, I believe this is also 8.5 inches wide by 5, perhaps 5 1/4. So there's those. It opens up, and this is just a blank page. Again, you could put a little tuck spot on here if you'd like. This page here flips up, and you have room for plenty of photos. And then we have another large pull-out tab. Back here we have another pocket, and I just made a little booklet. And then in the center I have a waterfall feature. These pages, or the flaps, excuse me, are 5.5 inches wide by 4 inches tall. I only used paper scraps on every other page, and I just put regular cream colored cardstock from Recollections on the rest, and the top flap I have nothing at this point. But you can see there are some really beautiful papers in here. And then on the last flap there's just that. I have that completely glued down. I will throw a link up either here in the video description or in the blog where I got the directions for this particular folio, or excuse me, for this waterfall, because it is amazing and so easy to put together. And the last thing we have is a gusseted pocket here on the side. It is, again, 8 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide. It has a magnet closure here. I only have 1 element in here at the time. I didn't have many scraps left from the paper I'd already used. But it opens pretty wide, so you could put plenty of stuff in here. When I remake this beautiful little album, I'm probably going to increase the width of the spines. So this one, which in this album is 3/4 of an inch, I will probably make that 1 inch, and then the spine on the left 1.25 inches. The paper from this paper pack is really heavy, and I wasn't able to get in as many little pieces as I would have liked to. So there we go. That's my little run through, and there's the back of it. Thank you for joining me. A like and a subscribe would be amazing, and hit the little bell just in case I put up more videos. Thanks a lot, and have a fantastic day. Bye.